Ni hindi ya gikoro gya kamiti ya bunge igi banjeti na kamiti ya urugamiriri wa mihang'o ya bunge ya PSC kuria bunge hoete nyongerera ya kigina kiria ikoragwo igithukirwo.
Mr. Chairman, sir.
Mathiri ma micemanio iria ya bunge makoretwo magikira mikawa-ini maria marugamire ciringi mirioni magana meri ni mamwe ma maria PSC igwetete ta murigo hari bunge kuria ningi kamiti ino hoete guthukirwo ciringi mirioni 40 iria ciahuthikire na kamiti ya NADCO.
We have bills going to almost 200 million for hotels around Nairobi and the coast and Kisumu. We have other bills relating to the cost of tickets for travel locally, Honorable Chairperson. And what you may have seen in the last few months is that we have squeezed committees from traveling outside the country.
Nige kamiti no niyendekithĩtie bunge thukirwo ciringi mirioni 150 cia guthurima makomishina erwa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ya IEBC o hamwe na kigina gya ciringi mirioni 30 cia kurugamirira mihang'o itiganite bunge-ini.
Broadcast equipment for parliament. The current broadcast system that we have was installed sometime in the year 2008. ICT equipment has become obsolete. We have failures every now and then on our broadcast system, Mr. Chairperson.
The vote is requesting for an additional funding of that million, which will be used to support PSC functions for the remainder of the financial year.
Gikero-ini giki PSC yoneka kwendekithia nyongerera ya mishara na marĩhi ma njohera harĩ aruti a wĩra bunge-ini iria marauga yongereirwo ria mwisho mwaka-ini wa 2016.
You appropriate well to other entities, but you forget yourselves. Probably because you have a higher responsibility of ensuring everyone else gets first before you get.
We are happy of what Parliament has been doing, and especially making sure we have facilities so that we put the cost of running democracy lower.
No ministry ya kigina iria icokire kwa ekinyia mbere ya kamiti ino igitongorio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini no Dr. Chris Kipto yoneka gucora mbica ya bururi uranyihia mahuthiro maguo hahekiaga kuheana kirano gya gukinyanirio kwa nyongerera cia budgeti.
We try and live within our means so that we try as much as possible to raise revenues, contain expenditures, limit the amount that we borrow. Submission of the fiscal year 2023-24 supplementary estimates number 2, we have received requests for additional funding amounting to over 17 billion shillings.
Ni mieri itanakenererwo ni abunge aria mekoire ministry ya kigina gukorwo ikihuthira kigina uria gutagirire riu magikuruhania thirikari na uhuthiri wa mbeca cia muingi kiundutho hatari na ugerereki.
When you look at the government expenditure and some of the things we are spending our resources on, are we serious that we are really focusing on expenditure priorities so that we get them out of the budget, or are we just writing it on paper and in reality we are not practicing it? Because from where I sit, I don't think we are practicing it.
Nigi abunge no morotete ministry ya kigina kumana na nyongerera ya magoti kure ya Kenya orire garama ya muturire thiete na mbere kumaritohera.
Your agenda is not protecting the poor hustlers that the government indicated that they will look into.
You try to reduce the taxation on the fuel, and then you are now achieving it by increasing 2.5, hoping that in the insurance sector you will now collect more. But definitely again you will not collect more.
Haruni ya Kamiti TV, Retorako ni Bataro wa Mwagi.